Here is example number 1. A loudspeaker emits a constant power of 120 watts. Firstly, find the sound intensity at a distance of 5 meters away from the loudspeaker. And secondly, at what distance does the sound intensity half from part 1? So go ahead and try this problem, and then when you're ready you can come back for the solution. Just get my calculator, because I don't have this question pre-done, so I'm doing it at the same time as everyone else. Okay, so let's just select my pen here. So the constant power is 120 watts. And we're told that the distance away is 5, so r is going to be 5 meters. So for part 1, the intensity is going to be power over area, so 120 divided by 4 pi by 5 squared. So it's going to be 120 divided by 100 pi. So it gives 0.38. So 0.38 watts per meter squared. And that is the intensity at a 0.5 meters away from that source. Oh, whoops, I don't know what's happened there. Now the second question asks us to find out the distance at which the sound intensity halves. So in this case, I don't know what's happened there. In this case, the intensity that we're looking for in this example is 0.19. So I'll call this I2 equals 0.19. Now we should see that because this goes down by half, the distance should increase by 4. So what we'll expect is that it's around 20, but we'll obviously have to double check with our maths. So 0.19 is 120 over 4 pi r squared. So multiplying the r squared over, we get r squared is 120 divided by 4 times 0.19. So I'm taking the square root of that. So what we'll do is 120 over 4 times 0.19, square root of that, and we actually get about 12.6 meters. So not fully as expected, but because there's obviously other scaling factors in there as well. So at a distance of 12.6 meters, the intensity will decrease.